Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Purple Leaves Nail Art Design Step by Step Guide. You will warm up to the changing season with these fall inspired nails. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a dark purple nail polish. Step number 2 is using a nail art brush and lilac nail polish. Draw curved lines on your nails. These will be the stems of the leaves. Step number 3 is using the same tool and nail polish. Start at the stems and draw oval leaves shapes. Fill them in with lilac. Step number 4, using the nail art brush and a lilac nail polish. Feel free to add a few more stems in the empty space around the leaves on your nails. Here's you go. Step number 5, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Your beautiful purple leaves nail art design is ready. Purple is a color associated with royalty and luxury. It also executes rich vibes and uniqueness. If you are looking to upgrade your manicure, try purple nail designs. Whether you are looking for a deep purple for the good cold months, a glossy one for summer, a springtime lilac hue, or purple shades to match every outfit in your closet. This purple nail art design the hitting all the right marks. Style number 1 is glossy purple nail art design. Elegant nails will always be in. Of course, you can go for purple nails and get an elegant manicure with a glossy finish. The purple nails always create a good and rich vibes on your personality. If you like purple color, apply purple color on your nails to boost your personality and glamorous in your personality as well. Here's you go. Your design is ready. If you like my design and video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you very much for watching my video.